Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove emojis from your videos in CapCut PC. If you just typed it, you can just simply press delete. But if it's on the actual video, what I like to do is just copy and paste the video like so. You can freeze frame it, or you can just mask it straight away. Select AI remove here, and I'm just going to select the brush to select one just to be a little bit more accurate. I'm just going to do it quickly, but you're going to be a little bit more accurate than me. And then you are going to select remove. Now you do need credits for this. I don't know why it's not generating. Oh, it is, but okay, it just took quite a while to do that. So hungry. Did you guys eat yet? I just ate. Sorry, I'm just trying to. Okay, there we go. Then you're just going to go to the mask section and then add mask. Select the rectangle or whatever. It's gonna feather it out a little bit. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you haven't done that already, if you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.